If you are stuck on white screen issue on Roblox, here is how you can fix it. Start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your network. A strong and stable internet connection is essential for Roblox to function properly. Next, clear the app cache. Head to your device settings, go to Apps, App Management, find Roblox and tap on Storage. Then clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the white screen issue. Make sure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox and check if an update is available. App updates often fix bugs and improve performance. If the problem persists, restart your device. A simple reboot can resolve minor software glitches. After restarting, try opening Roblox again. Another solution is to reinstall the app, uninstall Roblox, restart your device, and download it again from the Play Store. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files that may be causing the white screen. Lastly, check Roblox server status. If servers are down, the issue might not be on your end. Visit websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting problems. With these fixes, you should be able to resolve the stuck on white screen issue and get back to enjoying Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.